Today I will describe the short technique to remember the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree respectively. Dear viewers, in YouTube more and more videos are uploaded with this topic, and here it is described that the value of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And there the technique was applied hand trick or palm trick, that is the technique to obtain the values. But I would like to learn you a easy sequence, and that sequence is helpful to remember all the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree or 60 degree and 90 degree. And it is the shortest and easiest technique. Dear friends, we will remember the values with a sequence, and that sequence is 0, 1, 1, root over 3 and 1. And that is the simple tricks and simple sequence. With that sequence, we will remember all the values of sine, cos, tan, cot and sec and cosec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree respectively. Besides, we will use another sequence, that is 2 root over 2 and 2, and 2 root over 2 and 2, that sequence is used only for sine and cos. With this sequence, we can easily remember the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees. So let's learn the technique of memorizing values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree easily. First of all, sine. In this case, we will write the sequence from left to right. Please be noted here 0, 1, 1, root over 3 and 1. Now we will use another small sequence here, and that sequence is 2 root over and 2. So and here we will avoid the first term and the last term and choose the middle three terms. Here we will avoid first and last term and choose the middle three terms, and here we write 2 root over 2 and 2 below the middle three terms. Dear viewers, in this case, the first value indicates sine 0 degree. Here 0 is sine 0 degree and half is for sine 30 degree and 1 by root 2 is for 45 degree, and root over 3 divided by 2 is for indicates for 60 degree and 1 indicates for 90 degree. Very simple, and very simply we get the values of sine. Similarly, we will get the values of cos. Now cos, in this case, we will write the sequence from right to left. Here 0, 1, 1, root over 3 and 1. Please be noted that we start the sequence from right side, and below 90 degree we write 0, 60 degree is 1, or 45 degree is 1, and 30 degree is root over 3 and 0 degree is 1. That is 0, 1, 1, root over 3 and 1. Once again, we will write this small sequence below the middle three terms, and we will neglect first and last terms. Here we write the small sequence below the middle terms. Here 2 root over 2 and 2, and we get the values that indicates the first values is cos 0 degree, the second is cos 30 degree, and the third is cos 45 degrees, and the fourth is cos 60 degree, and cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root over 3 divided by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is half, and cos 90 degree is 0. The value of tan. In this case, we will write the sequence from left to 0 first, and then we will write it from right to left again below the previous terms. Here, please be noted 0, 1, 1, root over 3, and we will write the same sequence from right to left below the terms of the previously written sequence. Here, below 0, 1, 1, root over 3, and 1. Dear viewers, now we can vanish the below ones because the following one can be neglected. Now we can see the values here. 1, 1, and 1 will be vanishes. Yes, vanished. And now we get the values that indicates the first terms is for tan 0 degree, that is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, and tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 degree represents root over 3, and 90 degree is 1 by 0, and 1 by 0 that represents undefined form, that is not defined, so we write not defined here. Now the value of cot, in this case we will write the sequence from right to left first, and then we will write the sequence from left to right below the written sequence. So please be noted, we write from right to left first, start 0, 1, 1, root over 3, and 1, then from left to right 0, 1, 1, root over 3, and 1. Dear viewers, once again we will vanishes the below ones here because we can neglect these values. That is, we vanishes 1, and we got the values that represents the values of cot 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree respectively. And we note here that cot 0 degree is 1 by 0, and 1 by 0 represents undefined form, that is not defined. So we write not defined here. Now cot 0 degree is not defined, cot 30 degree is root over 3, cot 45 degree is 1, cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3, and cot 90 degree is 0. Dear viewers, now the terms for sec. Perhaps we know that 1 by cos theta represents to sec theta, that is sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. So we can easily get the value of sec by using the values of cos. In this case, we will reverse the value of cos as many degrees as we need. We will get our desired values. So for sec 0 degree, we will take the value of cos 0 degree, that is 1. We take 1 for sec 0 degree. Yes, 1. And now we will reverse it. Perhaps we know that it represents below 1 here, and if we reverse it, then it will be below 1 is up and up is below. So 1 by 1. Now that represents 1. Here, if we take sec 30 degree values, then we will take the value of cos 30 degree, that is root over 3 divided by 2. So now we will reverse it. Yes, reverse. The below 2 is up and the root over 3 was up, that is below. So it is 2 divided by root over 3. And similarly for for sec 45 degree, we take cos 45 degree values, that is 1 by root 2, and we will reverse it, and that is why we get root over 2 divided by 1, and the below one will be vanishes or can be neglected, that is here we get root over 2. And for cosec 60 degree, we take the value of cos 60 degree here 1 by 2, and if we reverse it, then we will get 2 divided by 1, and the below one will be vanishes, then we get 2 for sec 60 degree. And the last one is 0 for cos 90 degree. So we take that 0 for sec 90 degree here, and we know that it represents below 1 here. If we reverse it, then below 1 will be up, and the up 0 is below, then it represents 1 divided by 0, and we know that 1 divided by 0 is an undefined form, that is not defined, so we rewrite not defined here. Dear viewers, we get sec 0 degree for 1, and 0 to 30 degree is 2 divided by root 3, sec 45 degree is root 2, and sec 60 degree 2, and sec 90 degree is not defined. Similarly, we can get the value of cosec. So 1 by sine theta is cosec theta. So if we want to have cosec 0 degree, then we will take the value of sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0, that is we will write 0 here, then the below 1 here. So we would reverse it, that is 1 by 0, and 1 by 0 represent not defined form, so we write not defined here. Then for cosec 30 degree, we take the value of sine 30 degree here, that is half, and we reverse it 2 divided by 1. We can neglect below 1, so we vanish below 1 and get 2, and 2 for cosec 30 degree there. And now we will take cosec 45 degree values, that is sine 45 degree was 1 by root 2, so we take 1 by root 2 here, and we reverse it, so root over 2, we get 2 root over 2 divided by 1, and we will vanishes below 1 here and get root over 2 for cosec 45 degree. Now for cosec 60 degree, similarly we get root over 3 divided by 2 here, and if we reverse it, then we will get 2 divided by root over 3, and the last one is 1, so here we get 1. So dear viewers, we get all the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec very easily, and it is a short technique to remember the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. If you like my techniques, please like my videos and subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.